Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Coding Ninjas. My name is Yash Singh and I was an SG intern at Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how debuggers can help you in problem solving. So before moving into the video, let's first know what debugging is. Basically, debugging is a process of checking previously written chunks of code for errors. See, in order to run your code perfectly fine and efficient, you have to terminate all the errors. And in order to do so, you have to first find the errors. So now I'll tell you how debuggers help you in improving this problem solving. So the first thing that debuggers do is, it helps you in identifying what the problem is. See, the first stage that you should do when you face a problem is, you have to identify what is the problem. So debuggers help you in that. The second thing that you should do is understanding the nature of the problem. So debuggers also help you to understand what kind of a problem you are facing. Is it a simple problem or is it a complex problem? This is very useful when you have to take the action against this problem, when you have to terminate this problem. So you have to know what kind of a problem you are facing. Now third and the very last step, it helps you decide on what kind of action you have to take. See, on depending upon the problem, on depending upon the nature of the problem, it will help you in selecting the actions that you have to do. Whether you have to remove this statement or whether you have to add a new statement, it will help you in that. So that's all what debuggers are for. So when you will be solving some problem, so and if you want to terminate some error, debuggers will surely come in handy and they will surely help you. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hi there, we hope you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.